everyone. Welcome to Navkar Digital Institute. Myself, CA Akanksha Sumani, faculty member at Navkar Institute, and today I am very happy to have two of the rankers of CA Foundation, the precious gems of Navkar, Aksha Memon and Kashish Advani. Welcome both of you to this platform.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for being with us. So today I am going to ask them few questions and let us know what made them achieve the rank, what made them secure good marks in their examination, and how was their journey at Navkar. Let us start without wasting our time. So I will be starting with Kashish.
Okay, ma'am.
It's fine, huh?
Ji, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kashish. I would like to know you. I would like to know from you that when you started your CA foundation and what was the reason for opting Navkar?
Ma'am, I started my CA foundation after giving my 12th board exams. The basic reason for joining Navkar was because from where I did my schooling, I knew a lot of seniors who had actually joined Navkar. And my father being a CA, he also inquired from a lot of people, and we basically came to the conclusion that Navkar is the best, and I don't repent it till date.
Oh, that's great and so sweet of you, Kashish. Now I will be asking to our All India second rank holder, Aksha Memon. Aksha, what was the reason? What made you choose the Navkar?
Thank you, ma'am, for making me realize that I achieved really something great. Um since childhood only, actually, since maybe 9th, only, me and my father decided that I'll be doing CA only. In spite of him being a doctor, I'll be off stream going. And we were also confused, but we also did some research also. And when I was in my 12th, me and my father, we attended a meeting at Navkar, and we decided, since January only, we decided that we'll choose Navkar only. And in February, I think I got my admission also done. And as soon as my exams got over, I in a week only I started attending regular classes.
That's great, and we are really fortunate to have you both with us. So, Kashish, basically students जैसे being in Navkar, right? I had so many good memories जब मैं वहाँ पे student की तरह work करती थी, and one of the memories like yeah, I used to go on the stage and I would always dream that I will be there someday. And today when this dream is reality, it makes me very, very happy. So similarly, I would like to know from both of you, how was your journey at Navkar and that one memory that is really special to you? First of all, I would like to know from you, Kashish.
Ma'am, my Navkar journey till now has been really great, and I am extremely sure that even in the future years, it'll be amazing. And the best memory that I had, basically the best experience that I had, was studying in that classroom, and I was able to clear all my doubts and able to understand all the concepts. The way teachers actually interact with us, we are able to retain in a better way than studying from home, which we are doing right now during lockdown. So that is the reason it's actually nostalgic. I remember how we used to study, how Sudeep sir used to actually sharpen our accounts concepts, what we had learned in 11th and 12th. So that was a very good memory. And our mentors, of course, Neva ma'am and Deshpande sir, they have been a huge, huge support. And I made so many good memories with them, from cake cutting to English and economics lectures, everything we have done, and it was amazing, just amazing.
That's great, Kashish. I hope soon कि आप लोगों को और ज्यादा memory बनाने का opportunity मिले.
Yeah.
Akshay, now I would like to know from you, how was your journey and what is some special memory that you found in Navkar?
My journey too has been really, really great at Navkar, and the best part actually that I believe was, the faculties, like, they used to motivate me so much that I used to feel that yes, I will be pakka do something great. When actually we start a CA foundation, we don't know where we'll be up to. As in, we were given exams on all India basis actually. We till 12th also we are actually restricted to state board only, to that particular state only, and we never imagined such big actually scope of it. So like when the best motivating thing was when a faculty asked you something and you get your answers right, they used to uh, okay, I forgot a word, sorry Kashish. So my journey at Naukar has too been really, really great. And the best memory which I remember, actually, like I too agree to Kashish that studying in classroom was really, really good. And in this lockdown, we actually miss it a lot. And one of the best things that I remember, that each and every faculty, like they used to believe in us so much, they used to keep faith in us so much that ultimately it led us to this result, to this great achievement actually. Like if you get an answer that is actually correct, or you get an reply which they want, so seeing them happy used to motivate us that yes, actually we can do something really, really on a big scale.
Oh, that's so great to know from both of you. In fact, to be honest, we miss the classrooms more than the students, to teach them and go there and teach them rather than taking lectures online.
Yes, ma'am. That's
So, Kashish, now it's your turn again. Tell us, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है रैंकर से ज्यादा अच्छा कोई अच्छे से ज्यादा रैंकर से ज्यादा अच्छे से कोई और क्या टिप्स बताएगा फॉर स्टडीज एंड हाउ टू प्लान द स्टडीज.
Ma'am, basically, when we talk about planning, I think that studying for less hours with more concentration is better than studying for more number of hours with less concentration. So after Navkar, we know that from after 10 to 6 lectures, we get tired eventually. Of course, we will. So it is better to manage our time and study in the way that we were asked to after going home for 2 hours and then waking up early and then 2 hours. And one more thing that actually helped me was I'm an early bird, so I get up early rather than being a night owl. So that was actually what helped me out the most. And secondly, I believe that running behind concepts is better than running behind marks, because there are a lot of tests in Navkar, to be very honest. And if we get stuck with our marks each and every time, then we have little or no motivation left to move forward and study further. So it's better that we focus on concepts, and then marks will eventually come.
इट्स लाइक कॉन्सेप्ट के पीछे भागो, मार्क्स ऑटोमेटिक आएंगे फॉलो करके.
Yes, Three Idiots from Three Idiots.
I
Actually,
completely agree with you, Kashish. हम सिर्फ मार्क्स के लिए पढ़ेंगे तो we won't be able to study properly or prepare for exams well. If you understand the concepts, you will fetch good marks for sure. So Akshay, I would like to know from you, as we have already known कि कैसे study करें, कैसे prepare करें. I would like to know from you कि rank के लिए क्या tips हो सकती है. What differentiate a normal student from a ranker?
Actually, the main thing that I consider is you need to keep it in your mind. That if you consider my case, actually, I decided from June only that I want some really, really a single digit rank only, not any other rank. I don't need any other rank. So first thing, you need to have your focus so clear that the rest of the things will automatically follow it. As in what you do, how you study, doubts you get, automatically you'll try to overcome all your difficulties. You'll try more and more. You'll become more and more stronger towards it. And I actually agree that concepts are really, really important. People say that the papers are tough, or some, then out of the syllabus questions are asked. It's nothing like that. If you actually focus on concepts only, you don't need to mug up the sums, or you don't actually need to mug up the theory even, because you remember the main agenda behind it, and you actually do things according it. You'll read it and you'll get to know, okay, this is the thing, and automatically your hands will follow it. Everything will get down on the paper.
So friends, there are two messages from the rankers that you need to अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट वेल. हमको दोनों ने यही बोला है कि आप कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझो तो आपको मार्क्स भी मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे. डोंट मग अप द थिंग्स. प्रैक्टिकल्स भी अगर आप अच्छे से सॉल्व करोगे तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट. थियरी भी आप सिर्फ रट्टा मार लोगे तो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. एंड व्हाट एल्स दैट अक्षय हैड मेंशन्ड इज यू नीड टू कीप इन योर माइंड व्हाट यू वांट. बहुत जरूरी है कि आप अपने माइंड में ये क्लैरिटी रखो. एससी शेड की उसको सिंगल डिजिट रैंक ही चाहिए था. There was no other rank that she wanted. Means she had a clarity over it, and then she made her plans. Then she worked hard for it, and she overcame all the difficulties she found during the journey. So again, there is a question for you, Kashish. There we are having our own Navkar Digital Institute, and how that NTI helped you to achieve the rank, to achieve the good marks.
Ma'am, honestly, I would like to start from the current state. I am in intermediate and I do not know if NDI app would not have been there, what would have happened. So I am extremely happy that NDI exists, and it is not only during lockdown that NDI exists, it was even before that. So even in foundation, we had recorded lectures on the Navkar Digital Institute app, and it actually helped us to recollect a lot of things, because whatever we study in the starting, for example, after giving our 12th boards during April end and further, we do not remember it till September. So it's very difficult to actually recall all those things which we have already studied in class in the earlier months when we started. So NDI app actually helped us to retain everything and recall all the concepts again. Be it statistics or maths, permutations and combinations, or law, contract act, especially because with so many provisions and so many things that were inside that chapter, I think contract act is like something which will be for us with forever, be with us forever, because we study it in inter as well, and then I think for final we'll require it again. So NDI app actually helps us to retain a lot of things, because the course is so extensive that it's difficult to actually revise everything from the notebooks itself. So NDI app is a must, and thank God we have it.
So Kashish has told us how NDI helped her to prepare and how NDI is still helping her to prepare her intermediate. Akshay, I would like to know from you also how Navkar Digital Institute helped you in scoring good rank, in scoring good marks and scoring a rank.
Actually, this has really proved a greatest advantage for us. Actually, when you start studying, that's not actually possible for all for that you remember each and every topic, each and every explanation, or somewhere you get a doubt which you didn't get during your live lectures going on. So when you see the video lectures again, you go through that concept again, you actually feel that you are studying it again and again, and you get error, and you read it at the same moment, so that gets fitted in your mind better actually. So, and I guess there were RTP, MTP solutions in that also, some more doubt solving sessions also. So NDI is constantly improving and is still going on only, and intermediate wouldn't have been possible without NDI.
Okay, thank you, Aksha. Now, Kashish, I would like to know from you what were the services that you got from Navkar and how Navkar supported you to achieve the rank.
Ma'am, mostly why we were able to achieve our rank was because we did a lot of writing practice. Like from the very beginning, there were regular tests, and we gave tests of all the chapters, and then 2 to 3 chapters together, and then till dance we had. So I think that is what we were different from other students because of that. And all the students had studied, all the students had actually prepared well, but we were able to complete our papers and exams because we had done a lot of writing practice. It was actually visible in our 2019 attempt, that the law paper, many students were not able to complete. Like a lot of students were not able to complete that. Why was that so? Because they had less writing practice than other students. We were able to complete our law papers extremely fluently, and we were also able to check that what we had written at the end. So that was basically because we had done a lot of writing practice. So that actually gave us an upper hand than the other students.
So, as we are knowing from Kashish how test system had helped her a lot, because it's very important to finish your paper in the examination. Like there are students who say कि paper ही finish नहीं हो पा रहा है, and because we keep so many tests regularly and frequently, students are able to finish their paper in time. So that was something that we got to know from the Kashish, that how important it is to give the examinations. Now, Aksha, I would like to know from you how to prepare each and every subject. Like there is accounts, and then there is law. This is entirely new for the students जो 12th के बाद clear करके आए हैं. So law is completely new for them. How can they prepare these subjects?
Like I'll divide it in two sections only: practicals and theory. So as far as the practical, in that I'll take accounts only first. So as far as the accounts is concerned, I believe that faculties at Nauka, they get each and every sum covered up in the class only, or even if you get it, even if they ask you to do it from your home, it's the similar concept only. And the for accounts especially, the day the sum gets completed, or the chapter, if you go for chapter wise, the chapter gets completed in Naukar, and you do regular based revision, as in you come home and you solve it yourself without seeing it. It actually makes you more confident about it, that you know. Like if I speak about myself, so I did it for chapters which I thought that I was weak in. Especially some people have that account for non-profit organizations. That chapter basically people have difficulty in 11th standard. I too was having it. Thanks to Naukar, that in CA Foundation I had no difficulties in that chapter. And as soon as the sum got completed in Naukar, I used to come home. I used to do it myself without seeing it. So it used to sharpen my concepts more. It actually built my confidence, that even a day before examination, I was like, "Na, ye chapter to aata hai. I don't need to say it again." So that much it helps to boost your confidence. And
So we can summarize that in practical, students must try to solve it on their own once they had learned the concepts. So it will give them confidence. And what about
I'll complete QA also.
okay.
In QA also, when when the faculties are teaching, or when they are solving it, if you get your sum done earlier than them, and you may, what I used to do is I used to shift on to other sum if the sum wasn't difficult one. If it was difficult one, I used to wait for my answer to get it corrected, or else we used to go ahead and ahead. We used to solve it, because the more you solve it on your own, the more it helps you to summarize it into ABC category. You come to know that okay, this is supposed to be kept in C category, because I know it without even the faculty has not even taught it, and still I know this. So I used to directly categorize it. Okay, I don't need to see this again. And actually, a day before examination, only the ABC grading that matters is, because you don't have that much time to refer each and every question. So this helped me in ABC grading also, and a day before exam also. So this is done for the practical.
So friends, we had heard Aksha ने क्या share किया है about the practical subject, that whatever you learn in the classroom, आप घर जाके वही क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो without looking the answer, खुद ही solve करने का. If you will try to, your concept will be more clear, and you will easily be able to remember the concepts. It will be easy for you to remember the concept. For theory subjects like law हो गया, BCR हो गया, जिसके लिए students बहुत परेशान रहते हैं, and there is economics too. So I would like to know from you, Kashish, कि theory subjects को कैसे prepare करें?
Ma'am, basically what I think is that theory subjects can be divided into two parts. One is law, and the second part is BCR and economics. If we talk about law, we have chapters like LLP, Contract Act, SOGA, and some more chapters. Amongst those chapters, I think Contract Act is the lengthiest. So it should be completed provision wise. Students should pick each and every provision and complete 5 to 6 provisions in one go. And like that, they will be able to cover everything in the Contract Act. And many a times we feel that in the module a provision is given in a very small manner, we feel that it is not important. But in my intermediate experience also, I have seen a lot of times that when I consider that it is not important, I see that in the papers the next day. So it is actually mandatory to cover each and every part of module. And as soon as the lectures begin, with Navkar Spiral module should also be covered simultaneously, and then doubts can be cleared on a regular basis. And for economics and BCR, economics CBSE students have already studied, so it won't be much of a problem. And economics conceptual knowledge is better because then it helps in solving the MCQs. And with regards to BCR, the thing that should be kept in mind is for English and for business organizations chapter. For business organizations chapter, students should not take so much stress. They can do it they can do it in parts, and jitna memory unka capacity hai utne hisab se if they learn, then it will be great. And when it comes to English, writing practice is a must. Many a times we consider that it's English and we have other important subjects like law to cover, but then we forget that English is scoring. If law is tough, then English is scoring. So we should always cover English equally and give it as much importance as we give to law.
Thank you so much, Kashish, for sharing this. It will really help the students to prepare their theory subjects like law. They are often scared that they can't prepare law, and the biggest mistake they commit is taking DCR so not so seriously. Because the TK English ही तो है, grammar ही तो है, इसको क्या पढ़ना? So that's where they commit the mistake. So this is really important for all of you to know that nothing should be left. Everything must be covered. And everything should be revised as well, specifically for theory subjects. So friends, now our next question to both of you is, what do you feel about the faculties of Navkar? I would like you to start, Kashish.
Ma'am, faculties, I have had the best experience ever with regards to faculties. The way we are taught in class, the way sessions are made extremely interactive, we do not feel that it is a class of more than 20 to 30 students. Even if the strength is even if the strength is more than that, for example 60 to 70 students, we never feel that it is that much, because personalized attention is also given to us in a regular manner on a regular basis. So it has been an amazing experience with the faculties, and all the concepts are clear in my mind till now regarding the concepts which I studied in foundation. So that's great.
So what's your opinion, Aksha, for the faculties of Navkar?
My experience too was really, really good. Actually, the best part I experienced was like if you have any doubts at any time, they solve it like you take your personal tuitions. Like they never say have a no reply, or actually it never happens that you take a doubt with them and you never solve it, or you still have that feeling after speaking to them that अभी भी doubt है, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कभी लगा ही नहीं. It's so comfortable even speaking to them. Like you feel it's okay, you can speak anything to them, and they'll, even if you cannot ask them in the classrooms also, you can still go and meet them personally and still they'll answer it.
That's so great, and it makes us feel so grateful when we listen such things from the students. इतना अच्छा feel होता है. It makes us smile wide, यार. There is something really good about Navkar. That is something special about Navkar, that all the students feel so friendly here. So now I would like from both of you that you should share a message for all the students. There, it can be related to anything that whatever you want to convey to your students, to your juniors who are studying foundation now.
Okay, ma'am. I feel that the students should never lose hope and they should continue studying, concentrate on the concepts, and pay more attention to concepts and do not pay much heed to marks, and keep themselves motivated, especially during this period as they are studying at home. And it is extremely necessary to concentrate and have discipline. I don't think that chartered accountancy as a course is only about studying. It's about developing our personality as well. Personality in the form of discipline, in the form of how we manage our time, in the form of how we speak. And I think that is the best thing about this course. And that's it. I mean, students should really concentrate and keep up the good work.
Okay, thank you, Kashish. What
Thank
would
you,
you
ma'am.
like to say, Aksha?
I would like to say कि just keep your goals so clear कि you should never doubt yourself. Like if I speak about myself, we never have faced such an exam, so we never have anyone around us that will convince us that yes, you will be able to do it. But only you and you can keep your hopes high. You don't have to let yourself at any cost. You don't have to let yourself down. You just have to keep yourself going and going and going. That's all. And you will definitely get your thing, what you want.
Such a deep insight both of you have. Such great messages we got to know from both of you. So, dear students, it was a great session with both of you. It was a great pleasure to talk to you and know many things from both of you. I hope students enjoy it and learn and adopt the things what you have said. Thank you so much, Akshay and Kashish.
Thank you so much for having us here, ma'am. We
Thank
had
you,
a great,
ma'am.
great time.
Same here. It was a great time with both of you.
If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos and learn from our expert faculty members. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Download NDI mobile app to get complete CA course online. We value your support. Thank you for watching.